Hi class, welcome to our lesson on media and information literate individuals. Today, we'll explore what it truly means to be literate in both media and information. Not just using technology, but understanding, evaluating, and creating messages that make a positive impact in our lives and communities. What does it mean to be media and information literate? First, access, analyze, evaluate, and create information using various media. Think critically about messages we see, read, or hear. A media and information literate person doesn't just consume information, they think about it. They question, is this source reliable? What's the purpose behind this message? For example, when you see a viral TikTok claiming a health fact, you don't just believe it. You check if it comes from a credible medical source. Importance of media and information literacy. It improves how we communicate and connect, learn and make decisions, participate in society. Media literacy empowers us to be wise consumers and responsible creators. Whether it's researching for school, voting wisely, or posting online, being media literate helps us think before we click and speak with purpose. Characteristics of a media and information literate individual. They can access information effectively, analyze media content critically, evaluate sources for credibility, create and share responsibly. For instance, a student doing research doesn't just use Wikipedia. They look for multiple sources like news outlets, journals, or even government sites. They know that being literate means being responsible. Benefits to the individual. Being media and information literate leads to improved quality of life, better learning and communication skills, greater career and digital opportunities. When you know how to find and use information effectively, you open doors to success. Imagine you're applying for a job. Knowing how to present yourself online, create a digital portfolio, and communicate clearly gives you a strong advantage. Now let's talk about the benefits to society. For the community, media and information literacy promotes political participation, social unity, and informed decision making. Media literacy doesn't just help you personally, it builds a smarter society. Citizens who can tell truth from misinformation are harder to manipulate, making democracy stronger and communities more united. So, here are some examples in real life that you can actually follow. Fact checked before sharing news. As always, use social media for advocacy, whatever cause you like to advocate. Use social media for your advantage. Create content that educates others, like this one. Think about how young people today use social media not just for trends, but for change, campaigns for climate action, education, or equality. That's media literacy in action. Now, let us try to reflect for a moment and answer this question. How can you become a more media and information literate individual? In your daily life, how can you apply critical thinking? Maybe start by checking the credibility of every source you see online or using your posts to spread awareness instead of rumors. Alright, let us summarize what we have discussed. A media and information literate individual thinks critically, uses information ethically, communicates responsibly. Being literate in media and information is not just about using technology, it's about using it wisely. As future professionals, you have the power to create change through informed and responsible communication. All right, that is it. Thank you so much for listening. Hope to catch you on the next one. Bye for now.